Where did the Indus Valley civilization disappear? And all scripts of that era have been deciphered. Well, what happened to the Indus Valley civilization and its people? So, those people are right here. We are the descendants of the Indus Valley people. We are the descendants of the Harappan people. This civilization never disappeared. What happened was that there was climate change, which made habitation around the Saraswati River unfeasible. So 6,000, actually 8,000 years ago, the Indian monsoon was much heavier than what it is today. And around 6000 BCE, the Indian monsoon started declining monotonically, slowly over centuries because of climate change. And the great river Saraswati was fed by the Indian monsoon. So it was a great river, it was a mighty river, and it was entirely fed by the Indian monsoon. And it emerged from the Himalayas through glacial meltwater. But the bulk of this river's water came from the Indian monsoon and other streams and all that. So as the monsoon declined, this river started drying out. And about 3,500 years ago, it dried out and stopped reaching the sea. So, because of this climate change and factors such as that, these great cities and great urban settlements that had been built around the river banks of this great river, there are thousands of such settlements that have not been explored archaeologically. So, because this river dried out, the lifestyle that they were enjoying could no longer be sustained, and they had to slowly, over many centuries, gradually abandon these cities and move elsewhere. So these people moved eastwards into the present day regions of Madhya Pradesh, even Uttar Pradesh, and mostly Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Some of them may have gone upwards to Punjab, Haryana, and all that. So their descendants are us. This civilization has never died out, it endures, right? We are the continuation of the so called Harappan civilization. It is not some other civilization, it is our ancestors. So our history textbooks portray it as something that was different. They portray it as something that got over, it ended. That is a lie. It is a distortion of history. The civilization has never died out, it endures. We have evidence of cultural continuity that is 10,000 years old, and that begins in the oldest settlement that is found in the Harappan era. So the civilization never disappeared. Are all scripts of that era deciphered? No. The so called Harappan script is still undeciphered because very little effort has been put into deciphering it. I hope that with the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, we can start using those technologies to decipher this script. I don't think it's very difficult once you have enough manpower, enough resources, and enough funding. I think it should be not very hard to decipher the script, but somebody needs to get this together, to get the brains together, to get the technology in the right place, and to allocate the kind of funding that's needed for this project. So I would imagine that the right person to do that, or the right power to do this, is the government of India. So far, they have shown no inclination for this. Hopefully, in the future, they'll wake up and take up this project.